The construction industry is really stepping up its game with some amazing new techniques and ideas. With the latest tech, we're able to build stronger and more attractive structures, and we're getting the job done faster and cheaper. In this video, we're going to look at these cool new technologies and methods that are shaking things up in the world of construction. Superior walls panels are made in the factory and then delivered to the construction site, ready to go. This system has a lot of benefits compared to traditional brick or wooden walls. These panels are super durable and can even withstand natural disasters like earthquakes. They also excel at keeping heat in and noise out. Using these prefabricated concrete panels makes construction easier and leads to more sustainable buildings. Hydrofoam radiant heat insulation is a breeze to use and works great as a radiant heat insulation base. It stops moisture from getting through the floor and cuts down on heat loss, which helps save energy. Plus, it smooths out any small bumps on the floor, giving you a nice, even surface. Eurobrick brick cladding gives buildings that natural stone look, adding a modern and stylish touch to exteriors. It combines the cozy feel of traditional brick with a sleek, contemporary design. It's tough against the elements, standing up to cold, heat, rain, and snow without any trouble. Plus, it helps with heat and sound insulation, making it a smart choice all around. Flexum DAC Mortal is a handy, quick, and dependable adhesive for roofing jobs. Whether you're working on new construction or doing repairs, it's a great go-to, especially for fixing roof tiles and sealing against water. You can apply it straight out of the package without any mixing, and it adapts to the roof's movements to prevent cracks from forming. Bifusion Bi-Blocks are a game-changing innovation in using plastic waste for construction. These blocks are made by compressing and heating plastic waste, turning it into a durable and eco-friendly building material. Instead of throwing away plastic, it gets a second life in construction. Bi-blocks are faster and easier to use than traditional materials and work great for things like walls, fences, terraces, and decorative features. Seismic expansion joints are built to handle the stress of earthquakes, making them perfect for structures like stadiums. They prevent cracks and damage caused by the expansion and contraction of materials. These joints are tough enough to withstand heavy traffic, harsh weather, and other environmental factors. They also come in various sizes and configurations to fit the specific needs of any stadium. Prefabricated monolithic flooring is a cutting-edge construction technology with plenty of perks. It's a fast, durable, and cost-effective flooring solution made by assembling concrete panels right on site. This method cuts down on noise and waste while also saving energy. It's highly resistant to natural disasters like earthquakes and fires, and gets the job done much quicker than traditional methods. Spray Therm is a foam insulation material typically used in buildings, applied by spraying. It starts as a liquid, but once sprayed, it expands and sticks to the surface, creating a thick, insulating layer. This foam can be applied to almost any surface, even the uneven ones, and it forms a complete seal with no gaps, ensuring airtight insulation. Bricawood simplifies wooden house construction with its innovative system of interlocking wooden blocks, much like Lego. No nails or screws are needed. These specially designed wooden pieces come in various sizes and shapes, fitting together perfectly. The walls are filled with wood shavings for extra thermal insulation, boosting energy efficiency. This system also allows you to build a house much faster than traditional wooden construction methods. This printed concrete mold is a practical and budget-friendly way to add patterns to your walls. With these molds, you can create a more decorative and natural look, moving away from plain, flat surfaces. It's a fantastic option for adding a personal touch to your garden or living space. Block is a lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly folding formwork block, weighing just 2.5 kilograms. It's easy to use and offers a more advanced solution compared to traditional formwork blocks. Block saves a lot of time, space, and enhances safety on the construction site. It's versatile, suitable for things like retaining walls, basements, elevator shafts, narrow pools, and external walls. Plus, it doesn't need any extra support or lifting equipment, and a bricklayer can lay up to 60 square meters a day with it. Thanks for sticking with us through this exploration of the latest breakthroughs in construction technology. We hope you enjoyed seeing how these innovative techniques and materials are revolutionizing the industry. From the impressive durability of prefabricated wall panels to the eco-friendly magic of bifusion blocks, it's clear that the future of construction is bright and full of possibilities. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what you've just watched. Which of these technologies caught your eye? Do you think they'll make a big impact on the way we build in the future? Maybe there's a particular innovation you're especially excited about, or one you'd like to learn more about. Share your opinions in the comments below. We're always eager to hear from you and engage in lively discussions about these exciting developments. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop with more cutting-edge content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your likes really help us know what kind of videos you enjoy and encourage us to keep bringing you the best of what's new and noteworthy. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be first to know when we release new videos, so you won't miss any of our latest updates and insights. Thank you so much for watching and being part of our community. We're thrilled to have you with us and can't wait to share more amazing content with you. Until next time, keep exploring, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.